Holistic healing is an approach to wellness that considers the entire person, including their physical, mental, and spiritual health. This method is rooted in the belief that all these elements are deeply interconnected and that treating one component can affect the others. The increasing popularity of holistic healing is driven by the growing acknowledgement of its benefits, such as improved overall well-being, reduced stress, and a greater sense of balance in one's life. It emphasizes natural healing techniques and a proactive approach to maintaining health, instead of focusing solely on curing diseases. Meditation is a cornerstone of holistic healing, serving as a powerful tool to enhance mental, physical, and spiritual wellness. Essential accessories like cushions and mats provide comfort and support during meditation, facilitating longer, more effective sessions. These aids help maintain proper posture and reduce physical strain, allowing for deeper focus and relaxation. Additionally, guided meditation apps and audio play a crucial role by directing the mind through visualization and breathing techniques, making meditation accessible to beginners and seasoned practitioners alike. These tools collectively nurture the practice, promoting consistency and a deeper connection to the meditative journey. Natural remedies are integral to holistic healing, offering gentle yet effective methods to restore and maintain body balance. Herbs, essential oils, and supplements stand out for their ability to support physical health and enhance emotional well-being. Herbs can boost the immune system and improve recovery, while essential oils are used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation and a peaceful mind. Supplements fill nutritional gaps and strengthen the body against diseases. Together, these natural products help harmonize the body's systems, contributing to a sustainable and natural approach to health. Crystal healing is a fascinating aspect of holistic therapy, employing various stones known for their energetic properties. Each type of crystal, from amethysts to rose quartz, holds specific energies that can influence the body's own vibrations. Utilizing these crystals in energy work involves placing them on or around the body to facilitate healing and balance. Methods like grid layouts or individual placement target different energy points or chakras. Understanding the unique properties and applications of each crystal can significantly enhance their effectiveness in promoting physical, emotional, and spiritual wellness. Journaling is a powerful tool for holistic healing, providing a private space to express thoughts, feelings, and track progress on one's healing journey. This practice supports emotional and spiritual healing by allowing individuals to clarify their thoughts and feelings, recognize patterns or triggers, and celebrate milestones. Writing in a journal can also facilitate a deeper connection with one's inner self, serving as a reflective practice that promotes self-awareness and emotional release. The act of putting pen to paper can be a therapeutic endeavor that enhances overall mental health and contributes to personal growth and healing. Engaging in holistic healing workshops and courses is essential for those looking to deepen their understanding and refine their practices. These educational experiences provide valuable knowledge from seasoned practitioners, offering insights into various holistic methods and techniques. They are available through both online platforms, allowing convenient access from anywhere, and local classes, which offer the benefit of direct interaction and community support. Continued learning through these resources notifies individuals about new findings in the field and keeps their practices up to date, contributing significantly to personal development and more effective healing journeys.